The drone industry is abuzz with anticipation as DJI prepares to release the DJI Mini 5 Pro in late 2024. This highly awaited compact drone promises to redefine what's possible in aerial photography and videography. Designed for content creators, adventurers, and professionals alike, the Mini 5 Pro combines advanced technology, powerful performance, and an ultra-portable design to elevate your drone experience to new heights. At the core of the DJI Mini 5 Pro lies a game-changing 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from its predecessors. This larger sensor is a game-changer for aerial photography as it captures more light, resulting in brighter, clearer, and more detailed images. The DJI Mini 5 Pro doesn't just excel in hardware, it's powered by cutting-edge AI technology. Its advanced algorithms allow the drone to track subjects with incredible precision, whether it's humans, animals, or vehicles. This feature is a boon for adventurers and filmmakers looking to capture dynamic, moving shots without worrying about losing focus on their subjects. Additionally, the drone comes equipped with AI-powered obstacle avoidance. The integration of 5G technology is a standout feature in the Mini 5 Pro. With ultra-fast data transfer speeds, this drone redefines how you capture and share your footage. Whether you want to live stream your flight in real time to give your audience an immersive experience or quickly transfer high-resolution files, 5G makes it seamless. Portability remains a cornerstone of the DJI Mini series, and the Mini 5 Pro continues this tradition. Weighing under 250 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. One of the most sought-after upgrades in the Mini 5 Pro is its enhanced battery life. With extended flight times, you can explore more, capture more, and worry less about frequent battery changes. This improvement is a game-changer for creators looking to shoot prolonged cinematic sequences or conduct detailed aerial surveys. DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to be competitively priced, with estimates ranging between $700 and $800. This makes it an attractive choice for professionals and hobbyists alike, offering high-end performance without the premium price tag of larger drones. Here's a quick roundup of what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro stand out. 1-inch sensor delivers professional-grade image and video quality. AI technology, intelligent subject tracking and obstacle avoidance. 5G connectivity, seamless live streaming and file sharing. Lightweight design, perfect for travel and quick deployment. Extended battery life, fly longer, capture more. These features come together to make the Mini 5 Pro a true powerhouse in a compact form. As the drone's late 2024 release date approaches, anticipation continues to grow. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just a drone, it's a tool that empowers creators to tell their stories from breathtaking new perspectives. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.